Welcome in, Renegades. Today, we are going to talk about some huge news that is happening right now. We got our demo finally for Grand Turbo Renegades. It's a racing game built in on the internet computer using Unity, and we are going to have reward mechanisms. We're going to have time trials. We're going to have a lot of cool stuff built into this game. I am going to take you through a little bit of the game right now. Let's go. Going right into this. Okay, well, there's that. We will be playing more later. But let's go into some news now. So, we are going to talk about some huge stuff going on with Insane Clown Posse, the Clown Coin. They actually just got integrated onto Catalyze. So, we were first in and we'd be first out. Ray has been a tremendous force of positivity and work ethic. The development of both Clown and Catalyze is proof that a community that build more than they talk will achieve big things on Web3. Cat is the Clown's favorite project in all of ICP. So this is cool. It says now on Catalyze, Real Clan ICP, the first Telegram group to be bridged. So now Clown is on Catalyze. That's pretty interesting to me. Let's give them some love on that. And then we will move on and look at, because of our demo we just played, look at what the Renegade token is. It is almost going to test for this all-time high. That's the only thing that is left now that we've been to at before. So this is crazy to see that. Total value locked has been up a lot now. We are just doing really good on the news of this demo, and we will let ICP Renegade and Renegade holders play the demo right now. So if you are a holder, you have a badge in the Discord group, and then you can ask for that, and I'll DM it to you, and we will release it to everybody. But for now, we're just going to release it to our holders. And we're going to integrate a wallet into this, so there will be the Renegade token in the game. We're going to be doing buybacks so we get more tokens and are able to supply enough tokens for the game. So this is pretty cool. Things are happening in a good way. We're building tough over here. So is Clown. Meta Owl in the Owl token is another one of our partners. So we're really doing it big now. It looks like because of the ICPSWAP SNS launch, they are doing giveaway. I know Clown is doing one. ICX is doing one. And it says, we're thrilled to announce that ICX is teaming up with ICPSWAP to host a special giveaway event celebrating the creation of ICPSWAP SNS DAO and the launchpad of the ICPSWAP token ICS. So this is cool. 30,000 ICS tokens to be distributed. Now, let's talk about some news that happened yesterday. I thought everybody covered this well, but I'm going to talk about it because this is huge. Dominic Williams has finally integrated AI into the internet computer. So this is crazy what's happening. You should definitely check it out. You can come follow Dom over here on Twitter at Dominic_W. But the world's first, a demonstration of AI running on blockchain as smart contract. So in this video, he comes down here and he basically takes some pictures and he asks AI to describe what the pictures are. And it actually is very spot on. And this AI is learning, getting smarter, and it can do so much. Imagine ChatGPT, right? All the things that you can do. And I've been, doing like video maker stuff, turning text into video with AI. You could make music with AI. You can write up proposals like ChatGPT. All that kind of stuff is very, very cool. So Let's go in and look at ICP because it is climbing again. It was climbing the other day. It has a nice steady amount of volume at 174. We were sitting, at a low of like 100 million. And now our low right now, as you see, boom, it is like 200 to 174. So that's pretty cool to see that. Over here, yeah. See, like 120 mil was like the low over there. But yeah, I mean, this volume is really, really good looking right now, 100%. Let's go into the CFGI real quick because we haven't looked at this for a little while, and this is a very good indicator of how the market is doing overall. We're in the greed right now on Internet Computer. I am the only one or the first one who found this. I don't know if I'm the only one who uses this, but I search a lot for you. If I can't find everything on Twitter, you guys send me some stuff, but I do always look for the up-to-date, have my finger on that pulse, and find new cool stuff. Technicals are looking very positive. Order books are negative, but the whales are neutral right now, so it looks like they're waiting to see if the technical matches up with the order book, but it does look like retail are still getting in on the Internet Computer on the 4 hours. So let's go over here, take a look at this 4 hour chart. This is the 1 hour, which, I mean, I hit this cup and handle like perfectly. I think it's on a larger time frame. Yeah, over here. I guess I didn't hit it perfectly, but yeah, I was looking for a cup and handle right over here, and it actually happened. Not exactly how I said it would, drew it, but it definitely cup and handled. And yeah, the 4 hour is definitely looking bullish. Let me just remove all these drawings and see what is happening and move this over here. All right. So, I mean, you could possibly say, that we could have another cup and handle type deal over here and end up back at 1370, which isn't too far off from where we just were at. So, but we also do have this ascending triangle pattern, which is a continuation pattern to the upside. Let's just move this over. Righty. There we go. Ascending triangle. So it does look like a continuation pattern. This is a pretty big pocket of resistance. When we get above this, we're bullish, and we haven't been above it too long. But it looks like we're testing this area, and as we climb up, we could see a move. And then end up, somewhere around this 1450 area. That's a definite area that I'm looking to take some profits if I'm doing a long. And if you want to support the channel, smash that like, subscribe if you haven't, and you can actually use my ref link below. But be careful if you are leverage trading. You can trade spot over there on MEXC, but if you're leverage trading, only if you're experienced. But if we do go down, this is a big level that I'm looking at, is this 1335 right here, because that's been a significant level. And then here, 1305, if we break down from here, I am looking for somewhere right around this 1275 area, down to, I would say, 1239. So these are the areas that I would definitely be watching as we go forward on the 4 hour. Now let's take a look at this daily. I do want to look at CKB for a minute as well, but let's look at the daily and see, just watch those price targets, because those are pretty significant. 73 on the daily, positive. Yep, because we have that ascending triangle on the 4 hour. There's probably one on the daily as well. Impulse, very positive. Whales are neutral. Order book's neutral. So it's still looking pretty good on the daily. So let's quickly go look over at this daily over here and see exactly what it is. Let's just refresh this whole thing. It does look like we broke out of the RSI on the daily. We could end up, if we go about up to here, 1392 is where I see a test. This is a V-shaped recovery we're having right here, but there is definitely resistance right where we're at, right here. And this is just a little area of resistance, so it shouldn't be too hard to beat if we stay bullish in the long term. But let's see. I mean, there is a downward trending resistance line right here. I mean, you could even say right here, right where we're at. So, and there it could be an inverse head and shoulders or something happening right here. If we kind of even do go down a little bit and then break out, because this is a downward trending resistance, we could see it push down because there is like that horizontal, resistance breakout area right here, that has been pretty significant resistance for a long time. Breakout, get back under it, breakout, get back under it. So yeah, this is looking bullish. Now let's go look at CKB, because this is another one of my holdings. I'm going to be looking at other cryptos too, probably XLM, a Jasmy, other stuff like that to see if they're bullish. But yeah, I don't know. This could be a bull flag. I think it was on the week. Is it on the weekly? I think, and it's kind of fallen in between those. So let's see, the weekly. I mean, there could be either a descending triangle or some sort of a bull flag. If it's a bull flag, we're looking at about 4 cents, but that looks a lot like a descending triangle. So definitely want to see where this closes out. This could be a nothing pattern though, so I'm going to be looking at like the 4-hour so that I can see what's happening here. That looks like it might be a nothing burger, but if it is a bull flag, we could see 4 cents. So I'm definitely going to keep watching that, not putting a lot of, I'm not holding my breath on that one, but that we definitely have to look at it, because I've seen weird bull flags play out that you wouldn't think. So we do have like a resistance right here that we're trending on right now. In testing, it looks like it might be pushing it down, but this is a good buy opportunity. So I kind of want to see it go down. Getting in at these prices over here is nice when you're at 1.6 cents. So if it does go down, that is a good buying opportunity, and then it can reset and kind of go back up on the 4-hour. I just want to see the RSI on that weekly real quick. Yeah, it's still overbought, so I would like to see, more cooling off. But I mean, we've been doing crazy stuff with Bitcoin, so I mean, I'm bullish right now, but I'm looking also for other opportunities to get in. Let's look at like the real short term on 30-minute. We just had a double top over here, push down, and normally when that happens, we could see support somewhere around, here or a little bit below here. So yeah, it looks like it's nice and volatile today. So if you miss a buying opportunity, you see it go up, you might have another one. It does look like the volume is not enough to sustain the price right now, but that's okay. We will definitely use this as a buying opportunity. It does look like it's a little bit bearish on CKB right now, which is okay, because that happens. Yeah, and then we have a head. This is super bearish right now on CKB. I hate to show you guys this, but this is definitely bearish. I see a head and shoulders here. And the neckline. I mean, we could just use this shoulder to over here. Okay. I would say that would be the neckline. So if it does go to 1.9 cents, it could either test it, or if it does break down, where is this going to take us? Almost back down to this nice buying area. I kind of hope that happens. Not for the long term, just for a quick bounce down so that I can grab up some more and pump my bags. So either way, if it goes up, I'm happy. It'll pump my bags. If I can get in at a lower price, I'll be happy, because when it goes back up, it'll pump my bags. But I do see a head and shoulders right here. And the neckline breakout is right around this 199 range. So I'd definitely be watching that for a very, very good play. And that's on the 45-minute. Let's look at this hour. Yeah, kind of the same on the hour. 4 hour. Let's see. Yeah, see, it doesn't look quite as good on the 4 hour. Yeah, it's just right here. Okay. Yeah, so that definitely could be a head and shoulders if it is not too big of a big one. So that's okay. That would be a nice buying opportunity to come back down to this level. So, yeah, that's all we're going to have today. Thank you guys for stopping by. Check out ICP Renegades on Toniq. Check out Renegade token on ICPSWAP. And we will have this demo out for everybody. But if you're a holder, hit us up on Discord and ask for that demo link and we'll give it to you. All right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bam!